I'm starting my actual test by using the router testing harness. I'm going to navigate to that URL. I'm not going to call to create a component. I'm really navigating to it, and I'm providing here the ID one. I'm also enabling automatic change detection. That is important. And I know that now my quiz component should send out the request for this quiz. And that's what I'm going to match here with my HTTP controller, and I'm returning a predefined full-blown quiz that contains already some answers, some questions and some predefined answers. And then, as you see here, I'm doing one final verification before the actual steps of the test starts. And this is here find by text. So I say on my screen where the component is rendered, I want that somewhere Angular quiz should be shown up. And this is for me the criterion to know from now on I can start doing the test. So what this test is doing then, it really, as you see here, await user click. So this is this API from the testing library. It says I'm going to search here, first of all, for the question, what programming language is Angular written in? And then I'm looking for a question. I use a get by text, where I say it contains the name, the text TypeScript in it. And I also click on it. This is what we have here. And then what should happen? Well, there should be somewhere status information, text blocks in my application. We have seen it before. And in this case, I have here some kind of predefined UI, correct status, functions, finder functions that return me the DOM element. And there I say, well, if I click on the right answer, it should say status correct is 1 and incorrect is 0. Almost like a real user would test it. I don't care if I'm using the signal store, if I'm using UI component, if the signal store is using a quiz service, if everything is done in the quiz component, I don't care. I say I just click on the right answer and I want to see that the status updates correctly. This is this approach of those kind of integration tests. And if we would now say, okay, and what about the test coverage there? Yeah, we can check it out. We have an extremely high coverage. So what you see here is only coming from that single testing file which I have just shown you.